Inside buildings, it can be difficult to quickly rescue people with mobility impairments during emergency situations. In most of the emergencies, elevators are out of use. You can now use an evacuation device that ensures that no one gets left behind. It's time for you to meet the Escape Plus evacuation mats. The Escape Plus range is designed so that anyone can evacuate people with reduced mobility. How it works? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Transferring the person to the Escape Plus can be done in various ways. You can provide assistance, lift the person from the wheelchair, or use the log roll technique in case of unconscious individuals. Once on the mattress, make sure to firmly fix the yellow strap underneath the rib cage. Now you firmly close the flaps on the longitudinal and feet side. Extremely strong hook and loop fasteners keep the flaps together and securely cocoons the person into the Escape Plus. So in a matter of seconds, you are ready to move. At the foot and head are straps which you should use to transport the Escape Plus. Standing like a water skier and keeping your arms straight minimizes physical strain. Or stand inside the pulling strap during a horizontal evacuation. But don't do that on the staircase. When you need to make quick turns through tight corridors, you can lift up the legs to conquer the turns. Going down the stairs is quiet, easy, and safe. The mattress provides plenty of support and comfort for the person in need. On the stairs, one person stands at the feet side and one at the head side. Use the straps to maneuver through the flight of stairs. Rest the mattress to your leg to slow down the Escape Plus and keep one hand on the banister. If needed, you can also do it by yourself. At the core of the Escape Plus is a flexible, thick foam mattress embodied by a fire retardant and antibacterial fabric with great sliding capabilities. With a length of 210 centimeters and a width of 60 centimeters, the Escape Plus fits a large part of the population. Every detail has been used as an opportunity to set new quality and design standards for evacuation equipment. And whenever your Escape Plus is severely damaged, you only need to replace the cover, which will prevent you needing to replace the entire system. After usage, you can place the Escape Plus cover in the washing machine or simply wipe it off using a disinfectant. Even though you might think that evacuating a person is complex, the Escape Plus makes it easy for you. This low-cost solution can also be used by children and teenagers because it is so incredibly easy, and that will save you quite some hours training your staff. Oh, and there's also no maintenance contract, which results into more savings. The Escape Plus comes standard in a blue carrying bag. To highlight the location of the Escape Plus, it is recommended to place it in a green wall cover so that it can be mounted to the wall. Place this emergency sign above the wall cover to create visibility and awareness amongst visitors and staff. In case your building has high aesthetic requirements, simply place it in our storage cabinet. The Escape Plus range is now being used by safety and rescue professionals in more than 40 countries across 6 continents. And it doesn't matter if you're a hotel, school, big corporate, hospital, or the like. With the Escape Plus, you are sure that no one gets left behind. So prepare you and your co-workers to make the Escape Plus part of your emergency plan.